Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reference a website in Microsoft Word and how to use website reference in Word document. So keep your cursor where you need to have reference like here. Then click on references, click on this insert, click on add new source, type of source. So select here website. Now author name. So copy the author name, name of web page, name of website. Now publish date. So it's 13th June and URL. Year and month and day. Then click on OK. So now we have this reference. Now click on this bibliography. Now click on this bibliography in style and select here reference like this. So this is the way guys you can reference a website in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.